Good morning, everybody. Pro Trader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading. Hope everyone's had a wonderful evening last night. We're going to have an amazing trading day today. We do that every single day. Let me show you the other screen first. There we go. Got to show you the disclaimer. Actually, I got to change that disclaimer to this. What's on the bottom of the video. Oh yeah, that everyone loses all their money in trading. Everyone knows that. Let's see. Oh, here it is. New disclaimer. All of the content of my channel is for educational purposes only. No data, content, or information provided by MOJO Day Trading, the site, or other products and services of MOJO Day is intended or shall constitute or be construed as advice, recommendation to buy, sell, or hold a particular security or pursue any particular investment strategy. Day trading can be extremely risky. You should be prepared to lose all of the funds that you use for day trading. In particular, you should not fund day trading activities with retirement savings, student loans, second mortgages, emergency funds, funds set aside for the purpose such as education or home ownership, or funds required to meet your personal living expenses. Further, certain evidence indicates that an investment of less than $50,000 will significantly impair the ability of a day trader to make a profit. Of course, an investment of $50,000 or more will no way guarantee success. Isn't that a crazy disclaimer? You got to have that on all your stuff. It's amazing, right? But that's like common sense. People know that, but you just got to say it on everything. It's a lot. That's a lot. All right, let's see what we got here now. For the NUTX is moving, guys, for you in the room. That NUTX, dude, is 950, 960. Batman picked that in the MOJO Day Trading room. Let's fly on over there and say hello to the team. See what's going on. Stock doing well this morning. Looks like you're doing well this morning, which is NUTX, nuts. NUTZ, oh, NUTX. Nutix Health, 970. Very nice pick. Where'd you get that one at? What price? Got my nice. It's going 990 now. There's 10. Oh, I need to heat that up a little bit. Got that nice latte macchiato right there. What's up, Mahesh? What's up, GM, fast guy? So I picked a stock this morning, already went up 100%. Look, VIVK came by. See it? At 465, 488, 440, 427. See that move it's making right there? VIVK. $1.90, 215, 220, 240, 260, 280. Look, 312, 350, 377. Now it's over 200,000, 409. Now it's at 419. It's traded 689,000 shares. I caught it when it traded 30,000. I caught it early. That was a big one, dude. And then he picked NUTX, looking to go through 9 for a move into 10. It just went through 950. Now it's at 975. Now it's 10 on deck. It is 990 right now. 50-cent move from under 10 bucks is a nice one. GM, Mr. Mahesh. Excellent job today, guys, in the MOJO room. Let's head over to the main screen and see what they're looking at right there with this nuts. So SQQ, nuts is good. SQQ is 43. Look at that spike in the 1 minute. It's amazing. The Nasdaq's like strong here. Now I got someone that just joined my stream. What's up, Mr. Mar? What's up, guys? So I'm going to do a little bit of research on some CANSLIM stocks here this morning. See what was going on, because this EVOC, see this EVOK? I picked that one. Let me see my EVOC. Let me go to my library. EVOK. Yeah, EV. This was a while ago. Let me go back to this directory. Where is my my hard drive? Hold on a second here. That is weird. I'll have to go search that after. That is weird. Read that. Yes. I found it. Found it. Yes, yes. What? Where could that possibly go? So, this is my CANSLIM. I found it. I was like, where could that thing have gone? So, this is my CANSLIM database. Let me go in here and type in EVOC, because I took EVOC and EVLV, both of them. So EVOC here is called Evoke Pharma. You could see the 999% increased earnings from a loss of 27 to a loss of 17, 32.9 million, 5% in the float. EVOC's not coming up. EVOK. Oh, here it is, 286. The level 2. This was when it was a 290. See it? EVOC. That was a different day. I can't find the EVLV. Nope. Maybe one of you guys in the chat room know which one it was, but I think it was like EV something. Anyway, let's do some research and see what's hot right now in my screen results. So we have the yesterday internet content, Chinese. I don't pick Chinese stocks, but this one's doing pretty good. 4 good quarters, 52 to 15. Damn. Chinese provider of interactive audio entertainment. But why can't they do their own picks there? LIZI. $1.30 by 35. I like it. There's your NUTX right there. Hospitals. CYN. Nothing special about that. FRGE. Nothing special about that. Let's go current price. A lot of small stocks. A lot of red. Let's go to 90 cents. Because when you're at 80 cents, there's an 85% chance. There's 90 cents. These are 90% chance these are going to work. I like them. Let's see what this one is. Imogen, CYTO, MDGS, LPCN, Interclick, another internet content. This internet content industry. It's 2 of them so far. Easy Go. This is makes golf carts. Easy Go. Another Chinese-based company. Damn, dude. A lot of Chinese-based companies. WORX. Yeah, there's nothing really exciting going on right here with these picks. The last 2 weeks. A UK-based company that does oncology. From yesterday, a lot of red there, Paul. A lot of red there. Let's see where the volume is. Yeah, the one this morning, this Juicy Geovax Labs at $1.11. I don't like small. Constellation, finance blank check. Dude, there is nothing. AGRX, 11 cents. Really? Another finance blank check near Heinz. Ventnor Materials, 186. Pretty good, from a penny to 34 to 61. 4 quarters, 535. Not too much growth. Faraday Future designs next generation smart vehicles. It's not doing too good. $488. NUVB, not doing too good. This one went up yesterday, called Hour Loop Retail Mail Order Direct. 13 to 34. Operates online e-commerce intended for premier destination, I guess. Yeah, someone pulled the plug on the market. Usually I'm able to find a lot of good ones in here. Leisure Movies, Redbox Entertainment. Operates intended variety of... This one looks pretty good. It was flat here, went all the way up to 27, down to $1.61, back up to 3, to $1.85, back to 3. RDBX looks pretty good. If they break out of this 72 million a month every quarter, and 50 cent looks pretty fugazi. 52 and 72, 52 and 72.1. I don't like that. See what that one does. Keep it on the list though. It looks pretty good. Retail internet. BRQS, my friend's talking about this one. A lot of volume coming in, but nothing. It ain't doing shit, and it's a China-based company. No thanks. There's no good swing picks today. No good swingings today, boys. What's UVXY doing? $17. See, we're in a market correction when UVXY is up like this. Market's correcting. SQQ breaking out. Looks like it can go over 51.70 here. Did that once. 52.87. It's got a lot of volume. 4 million shares. And the market hasn't even opened yet. That's a lot of volume. What does it trade every day? 126. Bitcoin's lagging. Ethereum's lagging. Crypto's lagging. The markets are lagging. Everything's lagging. No one's buying nothing. No one's buying no NFTs. Nope. People are just not really doing a lot, man. Either you're watching your stuff go down and down and down, or you're in cash and king and not really doing much. That's what Mojo has. Mojo has not been that active in the last couple of weeks. Big size coming in on ATER. 10,000, 10,000, but it's down 19 cents. But it may be the fake out in the reverse. If that goes over 578, see that? So watch, I'm going to go tools, alert and trigger. Look, these are all SPACs. Let's delete these. So add alert. This is ATER, Heinz. Symbol, ATER. Add item. When the level 1 bid is greater than or equal to, what was the number? 570. I want to know 8 cents early. Boom. Okay. So now we'll know. See what I did there, Batman? I set an alert. I want to know when it gets to actually the top of this day, which is 546. I should change it to. Let me change it. So go back in here, double click on it, and just change the price to 540. How's that work, Batman? Is that good for you? Now we'll know when it's breaking through mini, going over this bar into the top of this bar through 578. Is that good? I think that's pretty good. This is how I get things going by right here. Look. See this high-low list. Boom, 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 boom. And then Azul did it twice. And Coin went by before once or twice. Like that. That's how it works. So my swing picks are holding up in this down market. I picked 2 of them last week. They haven't done anything. Yeah, everything's bad. Everything's bad except UVXY and SQQ and the stocks that go up when the market goes down. Those are doing good. Ethereum 2862, Bitcoin 38,836. Doge is 0.138. Doge is coming like a stable coin. Shit don't move. It's pretty stable. When shit doesn't move, it's like stable, right? Funny. There goes Azul again 2 times. Look, 1391 by 2. 93 on Azul. Azula American Depository Receipts. Yeah, I'll mark it for you, 100 right there. What else is hot? Nothing really. What's coin at 126? Let's probably go to 125.4 and then bounce up to 125.26 and go higher. Does that market 25 sometimes? I don't see much else, man. What's Mullen at? 125. Could you believe Mullen? Look at this chart. Pick Mullen in the Swing Trade newsletter. This was like the last time we were active right here. It was the last huge winner. It went from 63 cents to $3. And it went to $4. $4.17. This bar I think was like 3 and change. And then it came all the way down to, I think, where'd it come? Right here? Where we're at right now. But this one was 220. Back up to 345. Pretty volatile. That's a big move. It's almost 100%. 220 to 345 is a lot. Hook, $1.49. Hook, Hookapa Pharma. Hook and Cook. Look, that's Hook. Look at this one, Cook. Hook and Cook. Cook is Traeger Inc. Hook and then Cook. How about Mook goes by? WTER is water, alkaline water company. Hook, Mook, and Cook just went by, guys. I think guy's messing the symbol up. He's on the phone. Yo, it's moving today. Hook. The guy's like, what? Oh, shit, I just bought Cook. It's what? Hook? Okay, H. Let me go buy that one. Same with, and the next one, same guy made a mistake. E, what's the next one? Epizin? Okay, EPZN. No, he's no, like ELYM. Stupid. He's like, oh, okay, that one's 280. He bought both of them. Could you imagine if those were real mistakes like that? And that's why they're going off like that with the symbols so close. Wouldn't that be funny? Look. Oh, I thought that was URG and MRG. I'm like, what? No way. What's that one Zach Morris is on? ITP. Right here, 30 cents. 36 cents. He made this move in it from 26 to 35. Looks pretty good on the daily. Going up into rail grind. But he's got a lot of people shorting against him. Where's that ATER? DWAC did good yesterday. Here you go. Delete. DWAC. Foon does the advertising for like Trump and DWAC. Foon 205. Bats, another. Bats is 90. Snapchat 2771. ATER. AZUL. COSM. COSM. Well, this one looks pretty good because it's got the volume, guys. So I like this one. This is COSM. I like that one. BIVK. That was the one from earlier. I went up 100% already. AFIB. 15 million. Actus Medical. I like this one too. It's a good one. AFIB. And the Nuts at 9. Cosm touched that one. Nuts got volume too, dude. You just got to stay with the volume. These are the traders. There is no swing picks. There's some good day trades. ETTX. No. So this is NUTX. Nuts. UVXY just went by again, 1730. Here, let me mark that ATER, 100 shares. Marked it so I could see it. This is the DOS Trader platform, guys. Been working with DOS Trader for, I don't know, over 10 years I've traded on this platform. Same setup, same screen, same hotkeys. Gives you instant access to Archipelago right here, the Arca book, the INET book, the Montage, the IEX. Pretty cool. It's about, I have on my website $100. If you go to MOJO Day Trading Tools, I have a 14-day trial of this there, and you can get, I think, $25 off a month on the subscription through Mojo. I think it's $125 a month for the DOS Trader subscription. The Market Smith also, the database, it's another $125 a month subscription. So you have a couple subscriptions you use in the industry. But yeah, there's no CANSLIM stocks, guys. No, 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 no.
Hey, Mike, talking about messing up tickers. Did you see that fake video that Russia put out about that raid on supposed spies?
No, what happened?
But here, I'll post a picture here. Absolutely hilarious. They did this raid on American Ukrainian spies and supposedly found all this swastika stuff and everything. The biggest joke right there is what you see in the picture that doesn't make sense. It's almost like the FSB told them, "Hey, get some, swastika, some Nazi stuff, and throw a few SIM cards in there." Kid you not, real picture.
Unbelievable. What is the Sims?
SIM cards,
Oh,
cell phone SIM cards.
oh. They're trying to set up big scams to raid. That's crazy. Yeah, there was some a hospital yesterday. Cybersecurity seems to be a big thing. This hospital got like attacked yesterday in my like hometown. Hey Paul, you see what just went by?
Which one?
Better ask somebody. What do you think?
Oh,
That.
digital ally, yeah.
Look,
Volume's still just garbage. I mean, it's still in the channel, good uptrend,
dude,
but
you know what that is right there? That's called a big tease, dude. What a tease, right?
yeah,
It needs to go by like this, like Riven just did. See what Riven look?
yep.
See what Riven just did? RIVN. Guys went by 3 times at 32 bucks. Heinzing 32. Look. RIVN. Look at it. So let's go to
Nice.
Lucid, LCID right now. LCID tag along 18. Signal at 69. Look. Signal at 69, guys. A 500. Look. 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 Squeeze. Lemon squeeze. Lemon squeeze right there. Look at that trade. That goes through that. It's going to 19. Low risk, high reward trade right there. Goes through that. We're looking solid as a brickstone, dude. It'll make a move like Riven just did. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.
Good morning, everybody.
Hey, good morning. That's a lot of. What is? Oh, that's DGLY. Yeah, but it went by the high low list like a tease.
How's everybody making out this morning?
Yeah, pretty good, pretty good. SQQ, watched it right there. Been trading, called some good longs and longs earlier. And yeah, I think it's going to pop up here and drop back down towards 48 possibly. That was like your play the other day when it was like at 46, wasn't it?
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Yeah, it was like at 46.20. You're like, oh, it's going to go drop back down under 46, and it went to like a nice drop down. So do the same thing right here. Go from 48.25, reprice it at 48.30 and above if you're wrong. So you want to go long here, and then reprice at 30, right? And let it go up, and then try to catch a good one maybe at 40, or let that shit drop. And here we go, baby. Let's head on over to the main screen, see that market open. So let's get that long going right there. The long going, run it on this pop right here. 48 dropping like a rock. It's going to drop, dude. 35. Nail it up here. 48.35. Mojo's long. Look at it. It's 48.20 already. 48.15 already. 48.05 already. Yeah, Mojo, done for the day. One trade right there. One trade right there. 48, baby. Look at that. 47.93, Adam. Just like we called it, dude. Exactly like the other day at 46, right, brother?
Exactly. Same kind of play, same kind of move, same kind of profit.
Damn, done. One trade done for the day like that. Look at that, 47.70. Bouncing off stopping station right here, 47.77 on the way back up. Watch. There's 82, 84. Told you. It bounces right off that stopping station, dude. 72 to 77 stopper. Told you. 72 to 77. It's back at 86. Told you guys. Whoo, whoo. 96. Told you guys it was going to bounce off that. Redo it now long again. 48.05. Told you. Told you. Boom. 47.95. Nailed. Look at that. 10-cent move. Look at that. 92. Look at that. Another great trade.
So much awesome. It couldn't be awesomer. Do yourself a favor. Press it again.
85. 80. Yeah, baby. Nailed it. The same rhythm and groove as last week. Yeah, boy. Show me the money right there. And how many minutes? 1 minute. How'd you guys do on them futures? Multiple accounts. Did you guys make any money in the Mojo room? Should have.
I'm laughing my head off right now just watching my portfolio board. It's like the market hasn't even opened. I've got probably, I'm looking at about more than half of them still sitting at zero. No buys, no sells,
No
nothing.
volume, really. That's shaky crazy. Where is everybody? That
Must have been what was going on with Twitter and Elon.
Yeah, it seems to be the big news. But what's the big news today, dude? How come, dude, what is going on right now? That was such a big move from 48.20, dude, to 47.50. Damn, Mojo. I was already done for the
Looking
day.
at over half my tickers are just sitting at zero profit loss in the day. No movement at all.
Yeah. Mahesh, did you do anything on the who traded the futures? Who traded the futures on that move? Look at it. It's 47.45, dude. Biggest freaking green bar you've ever seen. Someone post a green bar picture, please. Adam, somebody. Somebody post a green bar picture. That was a big move, bros. That was a big ass move, dude. You want to see that action? You got in on the, yep, that's what I'm asking, bro. I'm not asking, yo, who got in on the sim and who get in, who, dude, who got in on that bar, bro? That's what I'm talking about. And saw that move and how we did it. That's the most important thing. Not who made money or who lost on it, because people do different things. But if we played it in the right direction, that's for sure. For the drop from 48.20 right at the open own. Huge move. Absolutely. Good job, guys. All right, let's see what the stocks are doing. Riven, Heinz 32. It's 32.25. It went through that signal. Riven did. No, that was LCID. So there's Riven. I'm going to sell half of that. Where's the LCID right here going through that 60 signal? Did it go through it? It touched 70, so it had to go through it. Had to go through it. I just wasn't watching it because I was doing the futures. Azul, let's get rid of that one. And ATR never moved for you, Batman. Snap attack. Snap's moving up. DWAC moving up. These are all going to move up probably, guys. All the ones related to Twitter. Twitter's going to move up as a good buy through 40. Let's go Twitter sequence, dude. 49.50. Do some options too, if you'd like. There are options on Twitter. Some balls adding into the 90s. For the Heinz 49. Heinz 49. There's 93. 99. There's the Heinz. Told you. There you go, dudes. Big move. Told you, dudes. Never got filled at 92. Sold a little bit of it at 03. Sold a little bit at 14. Oh my gosh, they gave me 4. Oh my gosh, dude. Can you believe that? That was bad, dude. And now they didn't take my 22. How stupid is that? Every time I put one out on the ask, it goes lower. That's why I should have hit the market. That's the limit I'm trying to do. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . All right, buy the dip down on the 48. There you go. I got filled now. 48.95, 48.92. There you go. 48.85. There you go. There's the dip. Oh yeah. There you go, Mojo. Now we'll get you another one back through 49. There you go. 49.02. Sold. 49.06. Sold. Buying back 88. See that? Buying back 83. Going to sell again up at 49. Here it goes. It's just in a box between 80 and 90 now. There's 92 again. Oh, it stopped it at 92. I was the ask, but it went 91 bid. Did you see that? That was 2,000 shares. I would have been able to click and buy that back right here. What do I got at 80? I think I got to do market instead of limit. Miss 72. 78. 80. 85. Look, every time I put it in, it stops. Take my 85, dude. Let me just cancel it and don't put it in. See if it flies through it. There we go. Good move, Mojo. I'm going to go market. They gave me 86. Terrible. All right, let's go to 49 now. ATER is blinking. Batman. ATER 518. I'll mark it for you. Look at Batman. Batman. There's your ATER, Batman. Here's Twitter Heinz. Sold 49.03. They gave me 2. 49.04. They gave it to me. Yeah, look at that. Nice, guys. Done for the day almost. Nice. Batman 886. Done for the day right there. It's pretty good, dude. You owe me that phone call today. I'm waiting.
Wow, that's awesome. Wow.
Yep. Let's go, baby. Twitter. $49 on Twitter there again. Nice. So did we ring the register today? A little bit. 980 for the Mojo. 886 for Batman. That's nice. 49 back over. Here we go, baby. 49.02. Let's get a run into 20. Let's get a run into 20. Let's get a run into 20 on Twitter. There you go, Mojo. Finally got executed like I wanted to there. Heinz at 49, baby. Big size. Go. There you go. 1570 so far for Mr. Ma. $18.60 left on that Twitter. Azul's moving. 1378 on that Azul. ATER is doing nothing, unfortunately. This VIVK was a ripper. Look, 360 on VIVK. It's going to maybe set a new high. Keep an eye on, it's got 14 million. Can you believe I picked this thing this morning when it traded like 30,000 shares, was it? That one, 30,000? Yep, 30,000 shares I picked. It's traded 14 million. I caught the first spike on it. $49 on Twitter. There we go. Man, they flood that. Went $49.02. They knocked it right back down 5 cents. SQQ still dropping, dude. Look at this. 46.30 on SQQ. I had the right direction on that today. Last 3 days in a row. When it goes up all day. It goes down all day, man. It's pretty cool. Nut. You got the runner. 880, 890 on Nut. It looks like it's going to Heinz 9. Signals up at 92. That ATER dropped. I'm out of that. Back for Heinzing on Twitter. $49.01. Keep on getting it. Banging it down. There we go. $49.05. Nice, Twitter. 1200 Twitter right there. Boom. Nut just Heinz 9, dude. You just got your nut. SQQ even lower now, dude. Look at that move on SQQ lower. How'd you guys do today? Show me the money. How'd you do? $11.80 for Batman. Nice job, Batman. Nice job, Batman. Good job. Call it a day for everybody now. What time is it? 9:46. Cha-ching. Well done, Mr. Batman. Well done, my friend. Let's head back to the Mojo room and check in with the team. What's up, dudes? How's a good day today? Good. Oh, look, Ethereum's headed to 3,000, 28.94. ETH making a move. Yep. Ooh, Heinz 29.02. Beautiful. All right, all right, all right. So what are you guys going to do for the rest of the day? Batman and you guys. What are you guys going to do for the rest of the day? I know you should subscribe to my channel. Nice. He's going to deliver some food to families. That's a great deal. So this is what usually goes out every morning at this time for the last 10 years, every day, same things, nothing's changed. Goals done for the day. We got to be done as quickly as possible. It's usually done by 11. It only takes 3 trades to be over your daily goals and 2 trades to meet your daily goal. The chat room is a business trading room. Pro traders conduct the trades as a business. We don't trade just to trade or have fun. Pro traders wait for the trades to present themselves. When you push the trading, you get burned more than you win. Pro traders like high probability trades, making consistent wins. Winning just 3 times per day is enough for your business to grow by leaps and bounds as the days add up. It's a marathon, not a sprint. The goal is to be here every day and have an account to trade. Make your American dream a reality. If you push it and get greedy, it will not work. Good job, everybody. Excellent day. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Let's see if I can find an amazing video to watch. All right, let's head on over to the main screen. Let's see, how about what Heinz 4, really? How about we watch JB? Let's try this channel.
I'm also going to share a loophole that I discovered into the government's billion-dollar slush fund that will pay you campus.
What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to teach you how to do the backside board slide. What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to teach you how to do the backside board slide.
Backside board slide. I'm going to do this today when I go. I'm going later.
The backside board slide is also called a backboard for short. The tricks you're going to need to already know how to do before doing the backside board slide are basically just knowing how to ride across a rail safely, and also an ollie could be extremely helpful, but if there is a safety before the rail, you could get away with it without knowing how to do the ollie. I do have a tutorial for both of these tricks and how to get full pulls on rails.
Airbud. That's his dog Airbud back there.
Channel, so feel free to check those out. Also, I do have sort of an explanation on the channel for the names of all of the rail hits. I'll leave that in the description below. For this trick, you're going to be approaching the rail on your heels. Your back will be facing the rail. That's why it's called backside. And your front foot is coming up and on top of the rail. That's why it's called board slide. So backside board slide. When approaching the rail, I suggest having the handle in your front hand only. You could use the rear hand to help maintain balance. You can have both hands on the handle if you want. I just find it slightly more difficult that way. You want to be not too close to the rail because you could clip the side of the rail with your nose, but you don't want to be too far away because you might not make it completely on the rail. Just a nice distance like this is fine. Take a nice gentle heel side edge in towards the rail. As you're approaching it, bend your knees, get low, do a nice ollie and bring that front foot up and over. Use this handle to pull in front of your body to bring your body perpendicular, a 90-degree angle to the rail. And
bend down a little bit.
Bend your knees in a board slide and ride a board slide perfectly down the rail.
I'm doing it for sure, easy. I already can, but I'll do it anyway again. But yeah, that's me.
Once you're on the rail, I suggest not leaning back on it. Just stay nice and low and flat, because if you do lean back, you'll end up slipping back on your butt. But if you stay low and flat, you should slide perfectly across the surface. Now that you're sliding down the rail in a nice squatted board slide position, as you're approaching the end of the rail, you're going to want to push and pop off the end of the rail. And once you're
do a
in the air
180
off the end of the rail, you can pull this handle over towards your front hip again.
No,
turn yourself
to my
90
back.
degrees, back straight, bend your knees on impact, and ride away.
I'm gonna pull it in and do a 180 off of that. That's too weak.
If you need to ride on the safety from straight on, or actually ollie on the rail from straight
That's
on, that
JB
is
O'Neill.
perfectly fine. Just the more legit way of doing this is actually hopping on from the side. I'm just gonna give you a brief little summary of the entire trick. Approach the rail with a nice gentle heel side edge. Have the front hand on the handle only. As you're
Ollie
approaching
up,
the rail, make sure
squat
you do a
down,
nice
board
solid
slide
ollie to get
across.
enough pop up and on top of the rail. Bring that front foot up and over on top of the rail, and use that front hand to pull yourself over 90 degrees perpendicular to the rail, and ride all the way down the rail in a nice squatted board slide. Make sure you bend your knees on impact on the rail in that board slide. Once you're approaching the end of the rail, push off your knees, push your legs, and get a nice pop off of that rail. Bring that handle back over in front of your front hip to get yourself straight again. Bend your knees on impact and ride away. But yeah, that's how you do the backboard. If you guys like this video,
Subscribe
make
to
sure
his channel, dude. It's good stuff. His channel. I like that video. Let's do a tail press. I do those all the time. I love the tail press. I love the tail press, dude. I love doing those. Watch this one.
Hey, I'm gonna teach you how to do the tail press.
I love this one. I love this one. I like doing style like this when I board. This is like me. See, I love that. And I have the same shirt, Ion.
Woo! Woo! The things you're gonna wanna already know how to do when learning the tail press are
This is
basically
nothing.
just being capable of riding across basic features, and that's about it. In the
Yeah, you don't
future,
have to
you
do
will
anything.
want to be able to actually ollie onto the feature and make sure that you can land in that tail press. That'll
Yeah.
make it a little bit more legit than just riding on and doing the tail press. But yeah, either way is fine. But today I'm gonna teach you about ollieing onto the rail and landing in a tail press. To make this trick really easy to learn, you're just gonna wanna find the box or like a basic flat bar at your local cable park. Really easy features like this will make the tail press really easy. So when approaching the rail, you're basically gonna wanna ollie up and onto the rail, but
And
instead
lean
of just
all the way
landing
back.
on it in 50-50 like normal, you're gonna wanna shift your weight over your rear foot. Really try and land back on that rear foot whenever you start sliding down the rail.
That's what I do. I love this trick. Alley-oop. He does wheelies.
Now that
really
you have
good.
landed over your rear foot and have most of your weight geared back towards your tail, you're almost going to want to apply a little bit of pressure to your knees on the landing and ride away. Your rear hand just to help maintain balance. Sort of pull the handle downward towards your waist, and also if you start falling forward, you can really just start cranking back on that tail, and yeah, you can just use that handle to help balance and keep you from falling all the way back. Now just make sure you ride that tail press all the way till the end of the rail. As soon as you're off of it, you can just bend your knees on the landing and ride away.
Love it.
I'm just gonna give you a quick little summary of the entire trick. As you're approaching the rail, make sure you get a nice solid ollie. That's definitely something you could check out if y'all wanna check out the board I'm riding in this video.
How to tail butter. I
What's
do
up,
these
y'all?
good
Today
too.
I'm
I
gonna
love
teach
this
you
one.
how to tail butter.
I love tail buttering, dude. I do this one too. This is a cool one. Not Cool.
So to be honest, I don't even know if this trick is even called a tail butter. I guess you could also call it like a tail press on the water or a sideways tail slide on the water.
Tail
I don't know, I'm
slide.
just gonna call it a tail butter. And yeah, hope you guys can do it. Also, before we get started, I just wanna let y'all know that I have tons and tons of wakeboarding trick tutorials on my channel. So make sure you guys are regular. When doing this trick, I like to do it just after I have gone through the corner.
Me too.
That will allow you to have the most momentum
Speed.
to carry your speed and hold this
Think of
trick
my
as
slingshot
long
shirt.
as possible. But before I approach the corner, I like to edge to the inside of the cable a little bit on my toes. And as I'm approaching the corner, I like to sort of get on my heel side edge and collect some speed as I'm coming through the buoys into the corner.
Pretty simple. I do it switch. I do it backwards. He's doing it frontwards. I like doing it backwards. Frontwards easy.
As my rope up top goes to the pulley in the corner, that's when I want to get a little bit more aggressive and continue edging and trying to collect as much speed towards the outside of the cable as possible. And once I have sort of felt like I've reached that maximum speed, I'll sort of drop my back hand and start lifting up my nose and putting most of my weight on my rear foot.
That's what I do.
Since you are putting most of your body weight on that rear foot, this will cause you to slow down and the trick won't last as long. That's why you're going to want to carry as much speed through that corner as possible to help the trick last a longer period of time. Another way to help your trick last longer and it'll prevent you from slowing down so soon is as you're getting up into that tail butter position, you can almost sort of pull this handle over to that side of your body, which will help you sort of turn sideways and make your tail your new edge. And as you're cruising around the corner like that, you'll be cruising as long as you possibly can, and as soon as you start slowing down, you can sort of bring that handle back over to your front hip, set your foot down, and just ride away.
There you go, boys and girls. Just like that. How cool is that? How cool is that, right? That's what Mojo does.
Set your foot down and just ride away. When trying this trick for the very first time, I don't necessarily recommend you go full send around the corner. Maybe take it a little bit slower at first, get up into that position, and then each and every lap you can speed up a little bit and try and work your way into a longer tail butter cruise. But yeah, I wouldn't recommend at all to just go full send because I don't want any of you guys like hanging a front edge or anything. But yeah, if you want to do that, you can do it at your own risk. But if you sort of work into it lap after lap, and the more you do it, the more you'll get comfortable and the easier it'll get. I'm just going to give you a quick summary of the entire trick before you come up to the tower. Before you get to the corner, just make sure you're a little bit to the inside of the cable and start coasting and drifting, being a little bit on edge towards those buoys. As soon as you go through the buoys and your rope goes around the pulley, that's when you're going to want to start cranking out on the edge as far away from the cable as possible, collecting as much speed as possible. Once you sort of get to that high speed, you can start leaning back and letting the front of your board sort of drift up. And as your board gets into that position, you can move that handle over to the front of your body and make sure you're sort of almost sideways on the water. Watch out for all your edges. You don't want to catch any of those. And as you start slowing down, you can move that handle over to your front hip, set that front foot down, and just ride away.
That's what Mojo's doing today. That's what Mojo's doing. All right, let's get a final look where the stocks closed today. DYOR made a beautiful move. It was only up $1. Now it's up $4, dude. Look at that. Look at that. DYOR moving. Let's see what Twitter's at. 48.80. Made a huge move through 48, dude. Guys did good today. What else? Foon 210. Is that a new high too? Not that though. What about this ATER? Never worked for you right there. Let's delete that one. It don't matter. I'm done for the day. Vivix, $4. VIVK. This MDNA going by $1.22. Look at this one. Metadecina Therapeutics. Look at the spike on this one, guys. Well, that's pretty much it for the day, guys. Ethereum's 2909, making a beautiful move. Bitcoin's 39. Crypto's moving nice. Thank you, everybody. Stocks are moving good today. Thanks for watching the Mojo Show. Everybody have an amazing day, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace. Keep it profitable. Check you out on the next Mojo Day Trading show and or the next Mojo NFT show. Make sure you like and subscribe my channel. Give me a thumbs up so other people could see the video. I appreciate that. If you have means a lot. So please do that for me, and I'll catch you on the next Mojo Show. And remember, be safe out there, guys. Trading's risky. Everything's risky. Even with this wakeboarding, I go, it's risky, dude. I can get hurt. You got to do your research. Make sure you're doing the right thing, and you'll be pretty safe. That's all. You know what to do. Peace. Keep it profitable. Later.